Bask in the golden sunlight, glimmering through tall trees. Feel the wind gently kissing your cheek. Walk on lush green grass that tickle your feet. Smell the invigorating scent of citrus flowers in the air you breathe. Mirth proudly welcomes you to our first ever resort project, Mirth Kanthalloor, this December 2018. A luxury resort that promises opulent ambience and peaceful serenity. An investment of a lifetime. Our resort is located in the misty holiday haven of Kanthalloor. Experience perfect contentment living amidst nature's treasures. Surrounded by fruit trees and abundant vegetable plantations, Kanthalloor is lovingly called the Kashmir of Kerala. At Mirth Kanthalloor, you will be treated to luxury at its best on 5 acres of unparalleled beauty in the first 4-star resort in Kanthalloor, Idukki. Visit popular tourist spots like Munnar Wildlife Sanctuary, Erivikulam Wildlife National Park, Mannavan Shola Forest and many more. Enjoy spectacular sights at Matapeti Dam and Chandivarai, where the temperature drops below zero. Another major attraction are the exotic fruit farms of Kanthalloor that grow varieties of peaches, oranges, pears, strawberries, plums and more. Breathe, unwind, renew your spirit, free your inner child, for life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.